Did you see my installation?
No, where at?
On the corner.
No.
And how do you like the beauty of the reality behind the scenes of balloon garland making?
Yeah,
No comment.
it
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am creating something very exciting, at least for me, but I'm pretty sure you will love this video as well. Back then, 2-3 years ago, when I was just starting making my balloon garlands and learning a lot about balloons, I decided to grab this theme of honeycombs and bees and create something beautiful. Let me tell you, that balloon garland from back then was beautiful. It was one of my favorites for a long time. Then I received a comment from one of my subscribers and she gave me a challenge. She's like, how about you recreate this theme but with your new techniques and new outlook on balloons? I thought about it and I decided to do exactly the same. So I am grabbing the theme of honeycombs and bees and I am creating something totally and absolutely new. Super excited to show you what I have in store because that installation, oh boy, it's gorgeous. Let me show you that balloon garland from back then. Here it is. Pretty cute, right? So let me take you on a journey of recreating this theme, but with new techniques and new outlook on balloons. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under this video. Without any further ado, let's go. Time to deal with our hexagons. These are wooden hexagons that I bought on Amazon and my husband's mowing, so I apologize for the background noise. I bought these things, lots of them, as you can see, full box of them. I am planning to do something very big. Hopefully it will turn out as I am planning. So I know that a typical honeycomb would not have different sizes of pockets of honey, but hey, we're creating art here and installation. So I will be playing around with different sizes of hexagons in this install. So I'm gonna be opening this up and I will start assembling my design of these hexagons on this plastic cover that I created out of my old transportation balloon bag. I just cut the bag open and covered the floor because I will try at least to use E6000 glue to glue everything together. Never worked with this glue before. Hopefully it's gonna work. So I am unpacking and starting to design what I want to glue together on the floor. Done working with my honeycombs. I am pretty happy with what I see. I did plan something different. I wanted to have one big piece as my backdrop, pretty tall, pretty wide, and then two skinnier, taller versions of honeycombs addition to the big piece as well. But E6000 in my opinion is not the best glue to use for this type of DIY. Use low temperature glue gun or high temperature glue gun because I glued this section and this guy over here in seconds. You don't have to wait for the glue gun to dry for such a long time, 10 seconds, and you're good. With E6000, you have to wait until it dries, and it wouldn't glue some of the pieces together. So the best way is low or high temperature glue gun believe me. Now I am grabbing my gold spray paint gloves and I am going outside. I want to spray paint them gold. Cannot wait to see how they will look like spray painted. Like usual, you guys, you know me, I'm out of spray paint. I am going to Walmart to get more. Going back again, it stopped raining. Well, at least. Nope. Never mind, it started raining again. Oh my word, come on. Last one. This is the last one for today. It's kind of drizzling, but I don't care. I want to get done with all of this. So let me go in a drizzle and finish this up. You know what, you guys? I am done. I'm defeated by this weather. I am all soaked. My back is literally, you can twist my shirt and lots of water will come out. I am almost done spray painting. Looks like tomorrow the weather is going to be a lot better, so I'll finish it up tomorrow. And yeah, the rest will be probably today, or I'll prep the balloons today, so it will be a lot easier on me tomorrow. We'll see. I'll keep you updated. And here are the balloons that I am planning to use in today's video. As you can see, I am working mostly with yellow balloons. I have a variety of sizes here, and I'm mostly working with Qualitix. I do have some Betalitix balloons and a little bit of Sempertix. Betalitix and Qualitix balloons came from L'Oreal Paper and a Balloon Company. Let's go through all of the shades of yellow that I have here. I have regular yellow balloons, pearl, lemon chiffon, pearl ivory, some matte pastel yellow, agate in black and white, and a little bit of a black. Let's inflate all of these balloons and construct our beautiful setup. You can probably hear how hard it's raining right now. It's pouring buckets, honestly. I hope that tomorrow weather is going to be a little bit nicer to me. Let's inflate our balloons, and before I will tell you what I am doing with all of my balloons, I didn't mention what kind of sizes I am using today. I am using variety of sizes, 5, 11, 16, 30-inch and 24-inch balloons. Let's start with our pearl lemon chiffon balloons. I am starting with 11 and 16-inch balloons. I am grabbing 2 balloons and inflating them into different sizes. Once my balloons are inflated, you will get something like this. If you like your balloons to be more rounder in shape, then press thundering as well. Then press your balloons against the floor, against yourself, and you will have a much rounder shape of balloon. Grab your 2 balloons, crisscross them, and tie them together into a pair. I am trying to really tie these balloons as close as possible together to have really nice and stretchy necks. These pearl lemon chiffon balloons. Any pearl balloons is a little bit harder to work with when you're trying to use those necks to connect clusters together. Pearl balloons not as stretchy as your regular latex balloons. I don't know why and why. Maybe it's just a little bit of a different formula that they made these balloons with. I don't know, but they're not as stretchy as your regular latex balloons. So I have my first pair. In order for me to create a big, nice, voluminous cluster, I need to inflate 3 more pairs of balloons. Once I have 4 pairs of balloons inflated, I am starting to construct a cluster. So I'm grabbing 2 pairs of balloons and intertwining them together nice and tight. nice and tight so nothing's gonna unwind and go places. Adding my third pair into this quad to create a smaller cluster of balloons. Quad is 4 balloons together. Smaller cluster is 3 pairs of balloons together. Everything's nice and tight together. Grabbing our 4th and last pair of balloons and adding into this smaller cluster to create a bigger cluster of balloons. And you have a beautiful looking cluster of balloons. I will keep on inflating pairs of balloons to create a few more clusters of balloons in bigger size. Then I will be making smaller clusters of balloons and finally quads of balloons. Quads, remember, 4 balloons together. Quads are great for filling in spaces on your balloon garland and giving your balloon garland more detail and in some spots even volume. So let's inflate with the rest of the balloons. I will be doing exactly the same thing what I did with this color. So let's inflate. I'm excited. Balloons are ready. Here is one more thing that I usually do with every single installation that I make. 11-inch balloons. I don't inflate all 100 of them. I always leave about like 15 balloons in the bag as a backup balloons. So I left some of the yellow, I left some of the chiffon, I left some of the ivory right here. So I have some balloons as leftovers. I always keep them to see if balloons pop, if I need to inflate more, what sizes I need. So just a backup. Now let's bag our balloons. I will be separating the colors like usual into different bags. It's going to be a lot easier to pick a color out of a single bag instead of going in one bag and looking for one specific color from 3 colors. I hope that makes sense. Let's bag them. Okay, you guys, I don't know if you can hear me, a lot of mowing going on, a lot of wind and AC unit. So I quickly wanted to show you what I did with my honeycombs. This one is freestanding. It's kind of like doing good. It's not falling over, not even once. This one was falling over, so I used some glue dashes a glue dash, actually one right here. This one is literally really nested very securely in there. Here I used fishing line. I simply tied to the bush. That one I used the command hook, and that's it in the back. For the side of this balloon garland, let me quickly relocate and go inside to show you. Just because the wind was taking balloon garland to the side, so I had to use this hook. I'm not sure what it's gonna do to my siding. Hopefully it's not gonna peel off the paint. I am hoping not. And as you can see, there's a command hook over here. I used bunch of glue dashes over here in the back to the sides. There's one that was like a failure, like a tryout. Then I used glue dashes here as well. So basically lots of glue dashes, hooks, and fishing line. These bushes, look how many balloons popped, and I have a pile of popped balloons up front as well. Time for flowers. It's a mess in my living room, seriously, but I haven't decided what kind of flowers I want to use. Either white, they will fit really nice, or maybe a little bit of yellow. I don't know, maybe yellow and white together. Let's play around and see what's going to work the best. You guys, I hope you loved this installation as much as I love it. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos and great ideas. And before you go, don't forget to give this video a like. They do help a lot. I hope all of you will have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.